Okay, so let's make some noodles. Everybody knows I love everything noodles. I always say it. No, I always say I love everything rice. But anyway, so I'm going to start off by boiling my eggs. I am using my little egg cooker. And I am going to boil 3 eggs. For some reason, I always mess up an egg or it spills out. So I always put 3. I'm going to let that cook until it turns off. And then I have some Brussels sprouts. So I am making this a quick noodle skillet, okay? And then I put those in the microwave. So, of course, those cook for about 4 or 5 minutes. I chose to do 5. And now I am going to make my garlic butter mixture, which I am using 2 tablespoons of butter. And I have some chili pepper sauce. And also I put some garlic. And the rest of the stuff, you just add what you want. I use cayenne pepper, some chili, some Italian seasoning. And now I'm going to boil my noodles. I am using a pack of noodles. I boil for less than 2 minutes. It'd be like 1 minute and 50 seconds. Because I want them to be al dente and not too hard. The eggs are done. I'm giving them an ice bath before I peel them. It makes the shell come off so much easier. Okay. So while that is in the ice bath, I am going to go ahead and assemble my noodles or season them up. I do not use the sauce pack. Again, I do not use the sauce pack. So to replace the sauce pack, I add in some soy sauce, a bunch of seasonings, some garlic, and also the chili pepper or the chili sauce or whatnot. And yes, I am using a whole bunch of the Sabbath brown seasoning. I absolutely love the sunshine, probably because it's so sunshiny. All right, so now I have my Brussels sprouts, and yes, they do not smell good. Everybody know cabbage don't really smell good, but anyway, it tastes good. So I am going to cut these in half, and I did leave some whole and threw them already in my noodle bowl already. And I am going to assemble by adding in the Brussels sprouts on top of my noodles and also some onions. And then I'm going to cut up my eggs and add those in there. And then I did my butter mixture. I put that in the microwave for 25 seconds. And now I am going to pour this garlic butter all on top of the eggs and also the veggies and the onions. Is onion a vegetable? I don't know. Anyway. So I went ahead and I poured that on top, and now I added some Italian seasoning because I love all things Italian. And you guys, these are delicious. I love these noodles. Whenever I eat noodles, I don't eat them plain. I always got to jazz them up, okay? So good. But how do y'all eat y'all noodles? Do y'all just roll it all up first, so that the whole thing can just fit in your mouth? Or do you kind of like what I did the first time, just have a bunch of noodles on a fork and get what you can. But anyway, they are absolutely good. Let me know how you cook your noodles. See y'all later.